G'day guys, welcome back. Brand new episode. Today marks the final day, hopefully, of the panel and paint on the engine bay. So that whole project, the front end, everything will be complete today, unless I have to do paint correction, in which case I'm guessing there'll be one more episode. So I've taped off the floor, kept the dust down, I've wiped down everything in here, I've degreased and all that sort of stuff. I'm just going to go over it with a tack rag, and I'm just mixing up the paint now. So it's 2-to-1 red flame, H code, original paint color. What more can I say? I'm stoked. I've been a little bit sleepless last night because I can't wait to see the red on there. So hopefully I don't F it up too badly and we get a nice gloss out of it. It's direct gloss paint, there'll be no clear coat. Let's go. Thanks guys. Righto, so we're mixing 2-to-1 and reduce it down by about 10% thinners. Oh man, that color's awesome. That is the 2. Hardener. There's your 2-to-1. Fortunately, didn't really leave myself enough room in the cup, but we're just going to put 10% thinners in. So neat. Look at that. Hardly any spillage. Righto guys, that's 3 coats and I'm absolutely done. So I'll give you a quick look at it now, but I'll come back tomorrow and sort of unwrap everything. But I'll give you a quick look at it now, man, and to say that I'm stoked is an understatement. My first time sort of painting anything to this extent and no dramas whatsoever. My mate lent me a decent gun. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but I'm absolutely stoked. So I'll give you a quick couple of shots of it now. Absolutely stoked. Look at that colour. Not a bad job, even if I do say so myself. Little bit of peel, but nothing I'm worried about in the slightest. Way less than what I would have had from factory, so awesome. Okay, so while I'm putting the engine bay back together, I've just cut a few rubber strips for the rad supports. So these are the two at the bottom. I'm only putting these ones in at the moment. All I've done is cut some conveyor belt rubber up, a couple of reliefs in the back. I actually got the idea off, I think it's Mark II Jace on YouTube. He's actually doing up a coupe at the moment. Definitely worth a look if you're into the cars side of this channel. So yeah, I'm just gonna whack these in, a couple of reliefs to form them in. This one and this one. These ones are a bit longer. Must be where the tank is or something. Anyway, bit of silicon. I got some 227 somewhere. But anyway, doesn't really matter. Silicon those in, and away you go. It's actually pretty good to get the workbench back to sort of backyard mechanic version rather than backyard painter. Righto, so just the tiniest little bit. Just got to stop it from falling out basically. And this side. Just like that. Just a quick bead and then we'll whack these in. Just press them in, and I guess I need to hold it for a little bit. That one's taken up pretty quick. Also, while we're at it, just run a bead around here. Don't need a lot. I don't plan on this being in the water a lot, that's for sure. Slow and steady. And one around just down here where the clutch blanking plate goes on the firewall. And 2 screws, which we had zinced. Job's tidy. Pretty sure you could pull this whole car apart basically with a 9/16 and a 1/2 inch. Yep. What's going on with the back of this one? Can't get to it with the camera there. Alright, so we've got the bonnet latch in. I've just sat these in for now just so I could keep an eye on where the bolts are and where everything is, so I'm ready to go. Obviously they got to come off to put the shocks in. Engine mounts are on. Got the wiper motor in. Just did that then, and those that you just saw. All the little nuts and bolts across the firewall. A couple of grommets. Actually, they need to be seated a bit better. We've got the heater cable in. The grommet for the fuel hose coming through there. And we've got that all done up in the back here as well. That fuel hose came up nice. I was able to salvage it, which was good. The panel clips are all in. Just put these in where they've got to go, all the little screws and that to hold the just that vent panel that goes across the top here. I've just located these for now, all the screws that holds the trim in. What else have we got? I've still got to paint black through here, so I'm not getting too carried away with bolting in all the wiper arms and whatnot. I'm just about to bolt the bottom rad supports in. The bottom radiator support brackets. I'm just waiting for that silicone to dry now. Right, so got the wiper motor in, got that cleaned up with a bit of 4-0 steel wool. It came up nice. I think it's supposed to have the zinc look to it. I'm not sure, but that's looking pretty good. So as long as it works when I wire it up, I'll keep going with that. Got those brackets in. I don't know if you can see them in this light, but that's them with the stuff, no dramas, with the rubber. And I've managed to dig out the bottles, but I'm pretty sure that's the wrong bottle. And that's the window bottle, and it is, I don't think that's going to clean up, so I'm going to pull these out anyway, but I'm going to order a couple of new bottles. So even the horn looking sweet there. Like I said, I don't even know if it works, but I'm pretty stoked. It just looks cool. I mean, I know I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll have to take it out obviously when I'm mucking around and wiring things in, but I just wanted to see what it all looks like. So yep, and also managed to bolt the steering box in. That had a full recon, and by full recon I mean I put a new arm on it and I painted it, so that's looking sweet. Well, that just about does it for this episode. Yeah, that does do it for this episode. What am I talking about? Maybe I should plan what I'm going to talk about when I do these outros. Got to put a booster and a master cylinder in, so I can, even if it's just the old ones, but just so I can dummy up, start bending up some brake lines. So I'm going to order that stuff, but until then I'm going to start work on the suspension. That's all ready to go. So next episode will be suspension, guys. What else? I just got the little ring in to go around the fuel cap. That just came in the mail today. Yeah, I think it's going to be suspension, brakes, and then the motor. So making progress anyway. I'm happy with how things are going. So thanks guys, like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. If you've got a mate that might like the video, share it for me. Apart from that, man, thanks for watching. Cheers.